just you guys home?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna come in.
No.
Hey, Brian.
Why?
On March 9th, 2022, law enforcement received a tip about inappropriate images of children being uploaded in La Crosse, Wisconsin. Authorities found several explicit images of girls aged 3 to 14 and traced them back to devices owned by a man. The individual was identified as 46-year-old Brian Schaefer. Several weeks later, police secured a search warrant for Brian's residence. When they knocked on the front door, Brian answered.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi there. Is just you guys home?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna come in.
No.
Hey, Brian.
Why?
I have a warrant. For what? Okay, step out, please. For what? Put your hands behind your back. For what?
Hold on, wait.
And my eyes. It's not easy. Okay, what am I getting arrested for?
Wait.
Just relax.
We've got a warrant for you. Just relax.
What happened?
Hold on, and I'll talk to you in just a minute, okay?
Okay?
Okay, I'm gonna put you in handcuffs, okay?
The warrant permitted the police to use Brian's fingerprint to unlock any phones in his possession.
Girlfriend's on that bus?
Yep, she just got off work. She said she was on the bus.
Let's put him back to his car. He doesn't want to talk, so he does, Mike.
He appeared uncomfortable and mentioned that he had been on the bus. I'll listen to what the officer, whose name escapes me, has to say to him.
Baby, apparently I'm getting arrested. I don't know. They won't tell me.
They'll fill you in back at the
They don't have a warrant
thing.
for the house, so they can't take anything out of your house.
Over here.
They
Anything
only
on
have
you
a
that's got a
warrant
sticker
for my
poking?
arrest. That's it. Can I kiss my girlfriend goodbye, please?
Just 1 second. I'm gonna make sure nothing's on you, man. Anything that's got a sticker poke?
Can I have a kiss, please? Can I have a kiss, please?
Probably not doing kissing right now.
Did she give me a hug, at least? Can I tell her bye?
You can tell her bye. Can't have you touching though.
Oh, that's fine. I don't know. I don't understand.
I'm just getting off work.
I know.
Sick.
Well, go listen to what the officer Rose or whatever his name is has to say to.
Here, I'm gonna 1 second, sir. Someone move this. Yeah, I don't know if being that he's not gonna talk, as well as if you want him at city.
I don't think so. I'm gonna see if they need me here for anything, and I'm assuming it's possession of for the charge.
Search warrant gives me permission to take your fingerprint, okay, and try to unlock these phones, okay? Understand me? Brian, I'm asking you to do this, okay?
Too bad, dude.
Brian, there's a search warrant for
Search
it.
warrant that
Okay.
authorizes me to do
So-
that.
I don't care.
Okay?
Well, it's either
All right, you can be mad all you want, okay?
I'll break my fucking hand.
You're gonna break your hand?
My hand. My own fucking
Why
hand.
would you do that?
Jesus Christ. Here, do whatever the fuck you gotta do, dude. The fuck? Why? Why the fuck are you here?
Figure out which thumb it is or which hand it is.
Why am I going to jail, dude? For what?
I'll also check if they need my assistance with anything. During the investigation, police suspected Brian Schaefer of possessing inappropriate materials. When an officer attempted to use Brian's fingerprint to unlock his phone, Brian initially resisted, but eventually complied. The officer explained that they had permission to do so and requested Brian's cooperation. They found 5 explicit images of children on the device.
Can I turn around now?
Yep.
Why are you arresting me?
I have a search warrant to search the residence and a search for you.
For what?
Okay? For... That's why we're here.
No.
When Brian questioned his arrest, the officer clarified they had a search warrant for his residence and person.
You asked and I'm telling you.
I know, I understand.
The settings, if you when you scroll down, there's usually the wheel for the settings too.
You want to talk to me about it, or are you gonna not? Or do you not want to talk about it?
I'm not going through what we went through last time. I should have never talked to you back then.
You didn't.
Whoever was interrogating me, I don't remember shit. I was high as fuck. 4 days straight. It's gonna be admissible in court. What site did I supposedly upload to this time?
I was. What's your foot?
Actually, the seatbelt's not gonna-
Oh yeah, sorry. Gotta put the seatbelt back on.
He still wants to wait. I'm sure. See if there's anything else he needs. Yeah, man. All I know is he's got the search warrant and the stuff going on. I get it's frustrating. I don't know what's going on in your life. I don't know you, so.
Brian acknowledged this but expressed confusion and frustration. He mentioned a previous case from 2018 which had been delayed due to his attorney's death. Brian had been released in January 2019 on a $1,000 signature bond with conditions. Brian currently has another open child pornography case from 2018, which has been delayed due to the death of his court-appointed attorney. In that case, he was released in January 2019 on a $1,000 signature bond with the condition that he not possess any devices that connect him to the internet. Nearly 20 years earlier, Brian was found guilty of felony second-degree sexual assault of a child and sentenced to 3.5 years in prison. For his most recent offense, Brian was charged with felony counts of possession of child pornography and bail jumping. His cash bond was set at $25,000 with the condition that he have no contact with minors and refrain from using smartphones or computers. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you are captivated by the drama and tension of real-life crime, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Join our community of viewers who crave the unvarnished truth and stay informed about the real stories behind the headlines. Hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss a moment of the action. Stay tuned, stay informed, and stay connected with Cams Don't Lie. The truth is out there, and it's more thrilling than fiction.